Hi guys, what's up? Good morning. Today is another day and I'm going to talk to you about coffee. Since I really love coffee, then I'm going to share to you my coffee talk video. Ever since I really love coffee, every time I wake up in the morning, coffee is my favorite thing. I don't know. It's just like my day is not complete and my head is aching if I couldn't have a cup of coffee. So since it's first week of July, then I love to change my coffee corner. The last time I set up my coffee beside my room and now I move it beside the window. So I can feel comfortable while drinking my coffee. I can see outside, I can see the light. So I guess that's how I do it. Like I keep changing everything every month. You know, guys, when I was working at night before, I keep drinking coffee for like 4 cups a day, like 2 cups in the morning until afternoon, and then another 2 cups in the evening, so I can keep myself awake while I'm working. But this time, I have to change it because I changed my lifestyle. I am into healthy diet, but you know I cannot cut off the coffee in my diet, so instead of 4 cups I choose to have 2 cups. So guys, you might wondering why I managed to change my lifestyle, but my coffee, I couldn't resist it. I cannot cut it off in my daily routine. So since I started changing my diet, so that means I didn't eat any fast food. I didn't eat junk foods or any processed foods like tea or not tea but soft drinks. No, I don't have soft drinks for 3 years now. So I'm really proud of myself. But when it comes to coffee, oh my gosh, I don't know. I couldn't stop it. So since I couldn't stop myself from drinking coffee, so I just decided to have 2 cups a day. So after I have coffee, I am going to prepare my breakfast and lunch. So this is how I cook my food. So it's another cup of coffee. This is the last coffee for the day, but we're in the coffee shop. I'm with my close friend who also love coffee, and we're talking about the next time we're going to visit another coffee shop where we can also play. It's a sports bar coffee shop, so I hope I can put it in my video. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button for you to get notified by my next video.